Namaste, butter chicken, and colorful holy festivals. Welcome to India! But in this video, let's talk about Hindi. The Hindi is a major language on the world stage with over 600 million speakers and is the third most spoken language globally after English and Mandarin Chinese. But if you think it's only spoken in India, you might be surprised. While it's primarily spoken in India, Hindi is also widely used in countries like Nepal, Fiji, Mauritius, and many other parts of the world. And Hindi is an official language of India, and according to the 2011 census, 57% of population speaks Hindi as their first or second language, making it essential for government, education, media, and even poetry.
कभी कभी लगता है कि मैंने तुम्हें कहीं खो दिया है, जब शहर के तमाशे में एक पल का सन्नाटा हो, या महफिल से सब लौट जाए घर अपनी हकीकत के सिरहाने.
The history of Hindi dates back to the 7th century, evolving from Sanskrit and Prakrit languages spoken in ancient India. And modern Hindi, as we know it today, emerged around the 19th century, influenced by Persian, Arabic, and Turkic languages. Due to centuries of cultural interactions, it became one of the official languages of India in 1949, solidifying its role in the country's rich linguistic and cultural heritage. Hindi is written in the Devanagari script, which is an abugida, meaning it's written with consonants that have an inherent vowel sound. The Devanagari script is written from left to right, and is also used for other Indian languages like Marathi, Nepali, and Sanskrit. And unlike English, which use a structure subject, verb, object, Hindi follow a subject, object, verb, sentence structure, and it shares a close relationship with Urdu, the national language of Pakistan. Together, Hindi and Urdu are often referred to as Hindustani. In their spoken form, they are largely mutually intelligible, meaning speakers of one language can understand the other without much difficulty.
कैसा देश है ये? पढ़े लिखों के लिए काम नहीं, काम है तो उस लायक पगार नहीं, टैक्स भरो पर फिर भी फैसिलिटीज नहीं, चोर चोरी करता ही रहेगा, अपराधी अपराध करता ही रहेगा.
The main difference lies in their written forms. Hindi used the Devanagari script, while Urdu is written in a modified Arabic script. Additionally, Hindi draws more vocabulary from Sanskrit, while Urdu incorporates more words from Persian and Arabic. Despite their differences, the shared history and mutual intelligibilities between Hindi and Urdu highlight the close connection.
एक,
एक,
दो,
दो,
तीन,
तीन,
चार.
चार.
And when we talk about India, you will probably heard about Bollywood, right?
भूखा प्यासा घूम रहा था जंगल में, बहुत गुस्से में था.
मुंबई में हुए इस हाईजैक ने पूरे देश में सनसनी मचा दी है. ये बताओ तुम्हें चाहिए क्या?
One popular Hindi show, Balika Wahu, which means child bride, has 2,245 episodes. You heard me right. So this was my first introduction to Indian TV shows. The Hindi language film industry, known as Bollywood, is based in Mumbai and has played a significant role in popularizing Hindi worldwide. Known for its colorful visuals, catchy music, and elaborate dance sequences, Bollywood has sparkled a global interest in the Hindi language and culture. You might recognize some famous Bollywood stars like Shah Rukh Khan, known as the King of Bollywood, or Priyanka Chopra, who has made her mark both in India and Hollywood, and the legendary Amitabh Bachchan, often called the Big B. This icon have helped bring Hindi language and culture to the global audience. And if you're excited to start learning Hindi, check out the Ling app. It's designed to make learning languages like Hindi fun and interactive, with lessons that cover everything from the Devanagari script to real-life conversations. Ling has helped build a strong foundation step by step. You will also find audio from native speakers.
मैं खरीदारी करने जा रही हूँ, फिल्म देखना, सोना,
Quizzes and cultural insights all in one place. Click to the link below to get the free trial version and begin mastering Hindi today. I see you in the next video. Bye-bye! Remember to check our link. Trust me, you will love it.